Today I'm super excited to bring you my second Campfire guitar songbook featuring 40 songs from my second year on YouTube. And just like volume 1, it's yours for free if you want it for free. The link is in the description below, and when you download it you get the option to nominate a small fee for saying thanks Dean, great job, or you can put $0 in there. Look, it's up to you, it's your call, no obligation. Volume 2 features great songs right from the 1950s through to the 2000s. And it includes all 10 songs from my recent lesson series, the top 10 greatest campfire guitar songs of all time. And that list did not include any of these songs. So what did make the list? And I've got a couple of those easy 4-chord medleys that I brought you through the year. Plus I've got a 1-chord song in there. Now a 1-chord song may sound easy to play, but in all honesty, you've got to mix up your guitar playing a bit on that song, otherwise it sounds a bit boring and monotonous. So there's a challenge for you. So download it now and you'll have yourself another instant song repertoire that won't feature all those cliche campfire guitar songs that everyone else brings you. The link is in the description below. And yes, a quick shout out to one of my Patreons, Shanna Hannigans. I haven't forgotten that Beyonce request you gave to me. It's just a really tricky song to play. So thanks for watching everyone, and let's catch up again next week where I'll bring you another one of those forgotten songs we all love to remember.